How to receive lives in Candy Crush Saga. Jump into the game out of lives. Don't worry. Help is just a tap away. Connect to Facebook or King's account. This lets your game sync with your friends list and share live back and forth. Tap the envelope icon at top of your screen. That's your inbox. Tap it to check for a gift or live request from your friend. If a friend sends you a live, you will see it listed here with a accept button. Tap to add it to your live bar. If no lives are waiting, tap Ask Friend on the out of live screen. This sends a request to your friends. When they tap send, it will land right into your inbox. You can only hold a certain number of extra lives, so check your inbox regularly to avoid losing free gifts. And that's it. You just learned how to receive lives in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Got questions? Drop them in the comment. Hit like if this helped you, and subscribe for more sweet game tips. See you in the next video.